Ever wish your photos didn't take up so much space? On the Galaxy S25 Ultra, you can save storage by enabling high efficiency pictures. This uses the HEIF format instead of standard JPG. To do so, open Camera app, tap the quick control icon, then tap the settings icon. Under picture section, tap advanced picture option, and then enable or disable high efficiency pictures. Now, when this option is turned on, your photos will take up less space. This is great if you take hundreds of shots but don't want to fill your storage too fast. But you have to remember that since some apps and websites don't support HEIF, for example, if you often upload photos to certain sites, it's better to keep this option off. So, if you are mainly sharing within apps like WhatsApp or just storing photos on your phone, turning it on can really help you save space. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.